welcome to my new vlog. Good morning. Another very gray day in Paris. I feel like it started affecting me and that I look now pale and white and gray because I keep looking at this weather so much. Maybe it's just me, and I know that I'm complaining about the weather in every vlog, and I'm really grateful that I got this experience in Paris. But you know, sometimes you get some things to realize that it's not really what you want, and that's okay. It's so cold.
What direction do you want to go?
I don't know. Where do we go? So we came to our favorite restaurant again because we are craving some French traditional food. But the line is so long. Oh, it smells nice. It's so cold outside. So I'm going to meet my friend and we're going to the Contemporary Museum today. Actually, we went to the Museum of Modern Art of Paris, so I'm sorry that I said contemporary. I know it's not the same thing. There was this one interactive exhibition where there is so many scientists painted in a half-circle room that you can scan, and then it tells you their story or what they invented in the world, and I think it's pretty fun as well to learn something new in the museum. And then we realized that they are gonna close the museum soon, so we didn't have time to see so much stuff. In the end, we decided to take a walk, even though it was cold. But, you know, we are architects, we sit all day during the week, and basically we don't get to walk so much, especially now in winter. So this short walk really helped me, and in the end, as a reward, we had some fries and wine. Good morning, guys. These days I've been caught up in work. I forgot to vlog for a few days, or actually I just didn't have to show you anything. It's half of the January. I still have 2.5 months with this internship, so I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do after that with my life. I'm applying for some jobs, I'm searching for jobs like anywhere. Actually, I would prefer if I would like move to Spain, because I already spent there 1 year. I don't know, it seems like it's hard to find job anywhere right now, so you never know where life brings us. I'm trying, it's just very difficult, especially since I'm a non-EU person. Look how cute this is. little cherry. I got this little lip balm from my mom. First of all, it's so early for me to have these thoughts right now. I'm practicing positive thinking and more positive thoughts in general, because in the past few months I really had some hard time with all these things about my papers and in general moving to Paris, and then it became cold and gray and it really affects my mood. So I started to listen to some podcasts to change my mood and change my way of thinking, which really works for me. In this way I feel way better than in the, let's say, past month. So maybe this is also some resolution for this new year, to start thinking more positively. I feel like I know that this internship is ending in 2.5 months and it's already my third internship, and I don't want to hear anything more about internships, like I'm done. So I want to find an actual job. So I don't think I'm gonna stay in Paris. In any case, today is another day at my office. Today we have another family lunch. That's gonna be fun because it's Thursday. So it started being as every Thursday thing, but then before Christmas we rescheduled a bit. So now it's the first family lunch of 2025. Yeah, yesterday night I just helped make some tiramisu for today's lunch. It's really time to go. I don't know what's the point of a cute outfit if in the end no one sees it, but... I'm back home, and finally now I'm going to edit the vlog that I started editing and then I just didn't have time. And yeah, it's just taking me a long time to edit because after all these hours at work looking at the screen, sometimes I really have a bad headache and I just can't come home to look at another screen. I even avoid looking at my phone as much as I can in the evening. Yeah, I have to make something for dinner and for lunch tomorrow because I'm bringing lunch usually every day to work, except on these days like when it's family lunch. I mean, I'm not like cooking meals that take 3 hours, but you know what I mean. Every time I have to do something in the kitchen. Today work was fun. Usually it's fun when I have stuff to do. Some days I just maybe don't have enough things to do, or I finish something faster and then there's nothing to do for the next day or the upcoming few days. So, you know, I'm just trying to do then some things more slow. Time passes easier when you are busy and occupied all the time. And then I come home at 6:30, so I still have the evening. Or if I want to go out or meet my friend, I'm trying to do that as well, at least once per week. So that's it, what I say to my friends as well when they ask me, how is life in Paris? I say, yeah, work is fine, not so hard. Life, we're trying to have so much fun as much as we can in this cold, trying to go to museums, galleries, any indoor places that might be a bit interesting, which is already what you saw in this vlog as well. Not too much to complain about. I already told you this morning that the thing that worries me the most right now is finding a job. So yeah, that's gonna take some time probably. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. Everyone is running in my neighborhood, but not me. I'm not a runner, but I'm going to meet my friend and we are going to the architecture museum that is in Trocadero. So I have a few minutes to reach. Just wanted to let you know. I hope it's gonna be interesting, and yeah, even for me, I hope it's gonna be interesting.
Currently, there is so many new exhibitions in Paris, and I'm so excited to show you some of them in this vlog. One of them is this exhibition about department stores and the development of the stores in general. So it's very interesting to see because I remember I watched once a Spanish TV show called Velvet, and it's about the department store in Madrid in the 1950s. And I had a really fun time watching this TV show. So I really like this vibe of department stores and what was really happening inside and the things that they were selling. Everything seemed so unique and customized. This type of things you don't really see nowadays in stores unless you maybe go to the luxury store. And on another floor, because this is the architecture museum, we saw great architecture and monumental sculptures that for me was interesting to see from this perspective, because these are usually the pieces that we see maybe on top of some churches or very high or from far away. So this was really the way to see also these kind of monumental pieces way closer. So if you are an architecture lover and you come to Paris, definitely check out this museum.
Well, that was fun, and it's so cold outside. Can't wait to go back home and just be under the blanket. Maybe in the afternoon, actually, I'm going to meet my friend, but for now, I just want to chill at home and drink tea and be cozy. Good morning once again. Another Sunday of this vlog. I really thought that in between these 2 days I will do something else more fun, but today I'm taking you to Louvre with me. I decided to go finally after so much time with my friend. I'm freezing, by the way, but just because I wanted to wear a cute dress. So yeah.
One of the main reasons why we came to Louvre today is for the new exhibition about the haute couture and fashion. If you've been to Louvre, you know how big it is, so you really have to choose what you want to see. And this was the great way for us as well to see it, but not to visit the same art pieces that we saw last time. We started walking basically where we stopped the last time. So this time we wanted to also focus on the Napoleon's apartments and this part of Louvre that looks more even like a Versailles palace. And luckily for us, only 1 or 2 days before we came opened this new exhibition about haute couture. I think also because at this time it was Paris Fashion Week, so it makes sense that it was opened at the same time. I like fashion and I like to see these unique pieces, but you know, as a normal person, you don't really get a chance to go maybe to these high designers fashion shows. And I think this is the perfect way to exhibit these kind of things, because many of these designers actually worked and lived in Paris and they got the inspiration from Louvre and art of Paris. So this was the perfect match to see actually pieces next to some places that inspired the making of them. The fashion items are from 1960s to today's date, so you can see designs from Dior, Chanel, Prada, Jacquemus to many more. And yeah, this was definitely one of my favorite exhibitions in this vlog.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini chaotic vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in my next one. Ciao!